Portable power bank.
Amazon favorites. You need this battery pack if you're always on the go and your cell phone always dies. It charges it about 2 times and it's linked in my bio.
6-tier floor to ceiling shoe rack.
Here's a clever storage hack. This foot shoe rack goes from the floor up to the ceiling and has 7 revolving tiers that can store up to 36 pairs. You can easily grab your shoes. There's a basket to store your knickknacks. You can turn the racks upside down to display heels, and there's a mini version as well. So, is this something you need or don't?
Egg cracker and egg separator and cutter.
Amazon favorites for your kitchen. You hate getting your hands dirty while you're cracking eggs? You need these 2 contraptions. This one you simply put the egg in, press in the middle, and open. Just squeeze the handle of this one. It even has an egg white separator too. You can find both linked to my bio. Like and follow for more.
Flexible grabber tool.
Amazon products TikTok made me buy. This is flexible grabber tool. And clocking sinks have never been easier.
Glisten washing machine cleaner.
My washing machine with me, I'm using my favorite product by Summit Brands, the Glisten washing machine cleaner. It's so easy. Glisten's products clean your washing machines without any work on your part. First, you pour a small amount of Glisten onto a clean cloth and wipe the rubber seal. Next, all you do is add a half a cup of solution to your detergent drawer. It's as simple as that. You run your washer on a normal cycle and it comes out looking like this. I linked it in my bio. Go check it out.
Gold wall shelf 3-tier and Rattan laundry hamper.
Amazon favorites for the home, starting with this simple wall shelf. I've had this for over a year now and I still love how it elevates my bathroom walls. Next is my laundry basket. It's such a great size and I love the woven look. And last is my favorite kitchen trash can I've had for over 2 years now. I got rid of my fancy electronic trash cans because they were always breaking down and this one is still going strong.
Collapsible party tray 3-tier. Jokari fizz keeper can pump and pour.
Summer gadgets you need or don't. Anyone else hate when their soda goes flat? These covers snap onto the top of the can and have a built-in pump that repressurize the soda to keep your drink fresh for weeks at a time. You can also use them to keep bugs out. So are these something you need or don't?
Clear makeup organizer.
Things you need from Amazon for traveling. I love that this clear cosmetic bag has structure to it, 2 different sides, and looks really similar to the $50 base one. If you have a Dyson Airwrap, you need this traveling bag. It stores all of the attachments, plus there's room to add your hairbrush and any hair accessories.
Glass nail filer and cuticle oil pen.
Amazon nail product. Hey guys, the first is of course this glass nail file, which is soft and won't cause your nails to split. The second is this pen to make cuticle oil easy to apply. And finally, a cuticle pusher to push your cuticles back.
Portable blender cup.
Here's my favourite online finds, part 2. This is a portable blender. It's perfect for making smoothies on the go. It's just as efficient as your blender or NutriBullet that you might have at home, except for this you can take it wherever you want. It works on pretty much anything from frozen fruit to normal fruit, ice, protein powder. It's really ideal if you're always on the go or just to get a shake in straight after the gym. Link for this is in my bio.
2-tier bathroom shelf.
You need this. This is a 2-tiered shelf from Amazon that fits perfectly in the corner on your bathroom counter. It has plenty of room to store all of your products, and there's enough space that it does not interfere with the sink. This shelf is in our guest bathroom, and I thought it was perfect to stock it with things that I love, different skincare, so that when guests are over, they can try. I got the Glow Recipe and Tatcha mini sets from Amazon. I love their sample sizes, and it gives guests an opportunity to try some skincare that they maybe haven't before.
Cute travel carrying case for Nintendo. Amazon Essential Tote Bag.
Amazon Fashion Finds for $36.
Guys, I just found the cutest tote bag off of Amazon. It comes in 4 different colors. Think puffer jacket with faux leather details on the bag and on the handles itself. It is so spacious. You're going to be able to fit all of your items in here. There are pockets on both sides and a zipper closure. This is perfect for an everyday bag, whether you're using it for the gym or the beach. I highly recommend it. It is so comfortable and I love it.
Silicone car phone holder pink.
Amazon car favorites. This car phone mount is made of soft silicone and has a slip-free bottom so it sticks to the dashboard. I love this for when I'm using the GPS on my phone. It has a spot for your cord so it doesn't fall down. It works for iPhone and Android. I have a regular case on my phone and it fits perfectly. This is safe for both your phone and vehicle. It can be moved so if you are a passenger you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies while you are on the drive. Lots of color options.
Cold brew coffee maker.
Summer and iced coffee go perfectly together, and I have been loving my afternoon iced coffees with this cold brew maker. This is a BPA-free and shatterproof pitcher with an airtight lid that makes 4 servings of smooth and delicious iced coffees. Pour approximately 2 cups of your favorite ground coffee into the filter. I don't like super strong coffee, so I did a little bit less. Then add 7 cups of cold filtered water and seal the lid nice and tight. Give it a good shake and store in the fridge for 24 hours. Remove the filter and enjoy. You can store the coffee concentrate for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. You could easily make iced tea with this too. I just hand washed all the pieces after each use, although the pitcher is dishwasher safe.
Digital wooden alarm clock.
This wooden digital alarm clock also doubles as a phone charger too. It has 3 alarms and the option to set them on weekday mode. You can adjust the brightness and even turn off the LED lights altogether at night. You can turn the lights back on with a light tap or a clap. It's very pretty and adds to the decor on your nightstand.
Rotating makeup organizer. Boon snug straw with cup.
Back with another Amazon favorite. Make your favorite cup spill resistant with a silicone topper and silicone straw. Then spills and save the environment. Find them linked to my bio, like and follow for more.
Kitchen utensil holder.
Amazon finds.
Drinking glasses and Brazilian bum cream. Cloud magnetic key holder.
I wanna be a picture. I wanna see you love me, then I wanna leave ya. This lady on the traffic, you're my Goliath. Because I'm the devil.
Toothpaste caps.
Get ready to say see you never to messy toothpaste tubes and hello to these squeeze me self-closing caps. You simply throw out the original cap and replace with one of these. So easy to use and the best part, mess free every single time. Comes in a pack of 3 and great for both adults and kids. Like and follow for more Amazon finds.
Silicone rubber jar opener.
Amazon favorites for your kitchen. Looking for a 3-in-1 tool for the kitchen? I gotcha. Our silicone jar openers, trivets, and microwave covers too. Find them linked to my bio, like and follow for more.
Iwalk portable charger.
Amazon travel must-haves. This is my favorite portable charger because it's so small and you don't have to use a separate cord. This pill case is the perfect size to throw in any bag. I love this for accessories, and these Stony Clover dupe bags are so functional.
Summer sleeveless Smocked sundress.
American woman, get away from me. American woman, mama let me be. Don't come.
Yeedi vacuum.
This is the Yeedi Vac Max. Try to say that 10 times fast. It's a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, so it can clean up my dog's food and even spill milk on the floor. It's already got 3000 PA suction power, and it even cranks up the suction power when a carpet is...
Hairpin holder.
Solve the problem of missing bobby pins once and for all with this magnetic hairpin pal. The magnet is so strong you can sweep it across any surface and it will catch it in seconds. Hubby loves it too because you no longer find my bobby pins all around the house. It's a win-win.
Boldplex Bond Restore Treatment.
Amazon beauty favorites. I love this Bond Restore treatment because all the ones in the hair salon cost you an arm and a leg, and this one is so affordable. It made my hair feel so amazing. I have extensions in, so it's so easy to brush through. It came out so soft, and it's all linked in my bio.
Car cup holder with tray.
Amazon cart favorites. My all-time favorite cup holder that holds 18 to 40 ounce bottles got an upgrade to include this snap-on 10-inch tray perfect for holding your fries, food, and there's even a slot for a tablet, book, or phone. And the tray even rotates 360 degrees. And this leak-proof car trash can has a waterproof lining that is easy to clean and wash. I love that it can be kept in a few different places and collapses when not in use.
Cement caulking pump.
This is cement caulking pump.
Comfy home office chair. Three-in-one back stretcher.
Another day, another Amazon fave. I sit in a chair all day for work, so I'm always stiff. I just upgraded my back stretcher to this 4-in-1. The back stretcher is great to relieve pain and improve posture in as little as 10 minutes a day. You can also use it on your neck in the same manner. It converts to a calf stretcher. I get shin splints from running, and it helps tremendously. It can be used as a balance board to strengthen your core and improve your balance. Link in bio.
Heat resistance mat for hair straightener.
These are the 3 Amazon travel essentials you need to have in your bag, and they're under $10. The silicone mat is great for keeping your styling products safe and slip-through while on the go. Watch how it keeps my curling iron from falling off the counter even though it's a really small counter, and then easily packs up when you're ready to go. These silicone bottles are great for holding all your essentials, and I love how well they've lasted for me. Last is a sleep mask that I use every night. It's actually on super sale right now. It's super soft, has a bendable nose strap so it'll fit perfectly to your face, and it'll make sure you get a great night's sleep on the go.
Tripod stand with remote.
The Amazon item everyone needs, whether you're a content creator or not. This bendable iPhone tripod has been one of my go-to items in both my business and personal life. The legs can seriously wrap around anything. I've put it in trees, and I put it on railings and on my car mirror. Plus, it comes with this handy Bluetooth remote. It connects to your phone in 2 seconds, and you can use it on iPhone and Android. Plus, it's so small and easy to hide in photos. I keep this tripod in my car at all times, and we've used it to take so many family photos. The link is in my bio.
We gon' get it, we gon' get it, we gon' get it on. We gon' get it, we gon'